Hello friends, welcome to another video from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. My name is Dan. In this video today, I'm going to talk about a little bit of personal finance. Now, personal finance is very much important for freelancers as it is important for everybody else. So if you are not a freelancer and still watching this video, I'm sure there is something to take away from this video for you as well. So watch this video till the end. If you're new in this channel and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe because I create this kind of videos where I talk about creating money, earning money online, and different kinds of sources that you can build for yourself where you can earn money from. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching again. Please give me a like and let's get started with this video. Now today in this video I'm going to talk about mutual funds and stock equities. Now there are a lot of videos on YouTube which teach you about mutual funds. They teach you about stock equities, how to invest in stocks, why stocks are good, why mutual funds are good. And today in this video I'm going to talk about what I feel is good for me. Okay, and probably freelancers like me. Okay, people who do not have a ready or you can say steady income, and they do not get a amount in their bank accounts every month end. Okay, for those people who are like entrepreneurs, whether digital or traditional, for them what will be better, mutual fund or stock equity investments? So let's talk about that. Now understand this, that in mutual funds you have lesser profits. Okay, your risk is less, your potential of earning money from mutual funds is also lesser. However, in stock market there is huge risk, right? It is obviously there, but then along with that risk there is a potential which is much more than mutual funds. Okay, so your earning potential actually goes very high if you are investing in stock market. But the problem is you cannot invest in stock market unless you have studied the market, unless you know the nuances of the market, unless you have a clear idea of how money works inside a stock market. Okay, and to get that knowledge, to learn things about the stock market and how the equity market works, people spend years, yes, not months, not days, they spend years to understand how the market will run. And even after that, a lot of people fail in the stock market, right? And I understand that for freelancers who are actually spending most of their time, almost 80 to 90% of their time, in searching for work. Okay, rest 10-20% they spend in actual doing the work. For them it is more important to find work, find projects, okay, where they can work on, than to think of where to invest money, and even more than that, to study about the stock market. Now if you are a freelancer you would know how important this thing that I just said is, right? So for me, there are two criteria that I want to talk about. First of all, I do not have time to invest to learn the stock market. Okay, I really don't have that time. So what I need to do is I need to find some way where I can just invest the money and let the money work for me. Okay, now if I had time, if I could only invest time in learning about the stock market, thinking about how it is working, thinking or keeping a tap on what is happening around me in the market or in the other scenarios, then probably I would be more sensible, or I would be more you can say eligible to put my money in the stock market. Okay, to say it very bluntly, I feel that giving my money to somebody who's going to manage it for me is much better option for me. Okay, this is one thing. Second thing is, whenever you are investing, whether it's in stock market or in mutual funds or in crypto or any other things, real estate, you need to have a financial goal in your mind. Why are you investing? What is the reason? Okay, I'm not a big investor. I'm not a investor who's putting lakhs of money in the market every month. I'm not that kind of an investor, right? I'm a small scale investor who wants to try and save some money and probably get little more than the saving account, than the FDs. Now if you have some financial goals which will be met by getting that extra money more than your fixed deposits, then I think mutual fund is the best thing for you. Okay, that's what I think. Now if you think that no, I want to go more, I want to use my money more and get maximum benefits from that, maximum returns from that, probably you can invest your time in learning about the stock market. However, one thing I want to make sure that I want to make clear, which I completely believe, whether you want to invest in stocks or in mutual funds or in crypto, please do not do it without proper study. If you are ready to study, please do it. Now, mutual fund I found is the best way where I do not need a lot of studies. Okay, I have actually spent time. I have spent almost 3 to 4 months to understand how mutual fund works, how which are the AMCs that are better than the others. Okay, I tried to find out what are the mutual funds that are working, which are not working. Those kind of research you can do, but these are very limited kind of research. You do not need to spend hours in tracking things, in understanding how exactly things are working one by one. Okay, that's not required. That's why I went for mutual funds. That's very important thing that you should also keep in mind before choosing whether you should go for mutual funds or for equity stocks. Okay. The other thing I want to talk about is that I see in many videos that people talk about SIP, systematic investment plans. Now, I am not the one who's a very big fan of SIP. I think that SIP has worked for a lot of people, but then for my kind of income, which is not regular every month, okay, I don't get the same amount of money every month. For those people, I don't think SAP is the best way. Okay, so if you're a freelancer who's earning different amount in different months, probably you can set a target that I'm going to invest whatever I earn. I'm going to invest 50 to 70% of that. Okay, maybe a little lesser if you want to, but then 50 to 70% is the best amount that you can invest every month. You should work towards that. Okay, that should be in your mind everywhere. Anyways, so if you think that I'm going to invest that much of amount every month, it does not depend on how much you are earning. Okay, so some months will be less, some months will be more, but then whatever the amount is, 70% of it or 50% of it, I'm going to invest. For those kind of people, for those kind of investment systems or schemes, SAP is not good. Okay, so we don't, I don't normally suggest SAP to anyone. You can do a lump sum investment in the funds that you trust on. That's more than enough. Okay, so I think that's the goal, that's the idea of investing right now for me. I hope this information is going to help you also in making your investment decisions. If you have any questions regarding investment and why you want to invest, or what are the different things where you want to invest, you can ask me. But then again, understand that I'm not a finance guy. I'm not a person whom you should look up to for investment ideas. Whatever I've told in this video is my way of investing, how I do what I do when it comes to investing, right? So to conclude, first thing that I do is that I invest in mutual funds. Whatever I can, I invest in mutual funds, not in stocks, because I cannot track stocks myself. Okay, that's one reason. And I do not do SIP because I do not know how much I'm going to earn every month. I don't have a baseline or something. It can be zero, it can be a little more in the month end. So I do not follow SIP. I do lump sum investments based on my earnings, but I do on a probably on a fixed date, on the third or fourth of the month, after I get my money for the previous months, right? So that's how I do. What are your strategies of investing? Are you a freelancer? Are you not a freelancer and still you want to share your strategies of investing? Please feel free. Please comment in the comment section below, and it will be fun to read, and everybody watching this video would benefit from them as well. Okay, so again, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, if you think that there is some information that I've provided which is going to benefit, please give me a like for sure. Okay, this time signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.